Pre-Firsters, it's Miss Mary here, coming to you with some more cool information about our 5 senses. Now, we did learn that we do have 5 senses, and they are hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. But this week, I wanted to learn a little bit more about the sense of taste because I love to eat. So I was doing a little research and I learned something really interesting. I learned that when we taste with our tongue, different parts of our tongue taste different tastes. So if you look, there's a picture right here of somebody's tongue. And next to it is a diagram of a tongue showing us what tastes that we taste on the different parts of the tongue. So if we look on the back part of the tongue, that's where we taste things that are bitter, like coffee or cocoa powder, kale. If you've ever had kale salad, that's pretty bitter, unless you add something to it. On the sides of our tongue, we taste things that are sour, like lemons, limes, sour gummies, things like that. On the front part of the tongue, we taste things that are sweet, like candy and ice cream. We also taste things that are salty, like potato chips or Takis. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So if we look at this next slide, we could see here are all of these different possible foods that we could taste, and they're telling us that we taste certain things on different sides of our tongue. So if I were to taste these lemons, according to this information, I would taste it on the side of my tongue. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So I wanted to test it out. So I have some foods that I got. I have a little piece of lime. And actually, I think I'm going to switch my camera so you could see better. Here you go. I have a little slice of lime. I got some salt from my cupboard. I got some honey from my cupboard. And I got coffee. And I just put a little bit of coffee grounds in this cup. So I wanted to taste it and see if they're right. If I taste something that is sour, if I taste it on the front of my tongue, will it taste as sour as it does on the side? So I'm going to try it. Are you ready? Okay. You're right. Woo! It's more sour if I put it on the sides of my tongue than if I put it on the tip of my tongue, because that's where I taste sour. Here's some coffee grounds. Usually don't eat coffee grounds by themselves, but I'm supposed to. If it really tastes bitter, I would taste it on the back. I'm going to put it on my front. I don't taste much. Now I'm going to put it on the back. Yep. I can taste it more back there. How about the honey? Let's try that. Now they say the sweet things I should taste a lot of it, or it should be most sweet on the tip. Yep. I'm going to put it on the side. Well, I don't really taste it on the side, but I taste it on the tip. Isn't that interesting? And the last part is this salt. The salt you're supposed to taste on the front of your tongue. Yep, I taste it. I'm going to put it on the side. Not as much. Isn't that interesting? So this is what I want you to do. I want you now to go do the seesaw activity, okay? And I want you to try some foods. I want you to try one sour, one salty, one bitter, and one sweet. And I want you to try and see where you taste it on your tongue. So go ahead and try this seesaw activity. I think you'll like it. I think it's really interesting. And maybe you can find some other kind of food that I didn't try. I didn't have any salty snacks in my house, and I didn't have any cookies to try. I just had the honey. So I had to just go and try this. But maybe you have something else that's sweet, or else that's salty, or else that's sour. So I look forward to seeing what you try to taste in our taste test. Have fun.